sitting in a 2018 Toyota RAV4 with a smart key. I have one existing key, and I'm going to be programming in a second prox key. There's our keys right there. You can hear them work, that one, but this one is not programmed. Lights up, nothing. So, let's get started. Toyota RAV4 key coding 2018 smart key 3. Ignition's off. I'm going to program a key. Yes. Plenty of keys left in the memory. Okay. Take the original key. I'm going to touch the button with it. You'll hear a beep. One beep. Okay. Next fob, we're going to hear 2 beeps. Here we go. 2 beeps. Enter. Done. 3 keys. Now I can press the buttons on the new one, and they work. All done.